they answer their own questions. This is your responsibility areas. So how do you know this price reasonable or not? How much the cost should be with this? This is called shoe cost analysis. Okay, and what is the some other things? So we try to bring you back. Maybe you have some accounting background. So if you have the managing suppliers, be able to analyze the suppliers' costing performance or their financial performance. So you be able to read all the financial reports, right? If they have financially sound, liquidity is okay or not. If they have any problems with their cash flow, so those are the responsibility of the buyer. So some of the day 2 and day 3 within the focus area, they have to get a good grip on how to do this cost and price analysis. Okay, so hopefully that should prepare you to get